Hi, I'm Sandra.
And I'm Neil. We currently have a Baxi Duo-Tec boiler and it's now in need of replacing.
We chose to replace our existing Baxi boiler with another Baxi. We've always been happy with Baxi's customer service and have used it on a couple of occasions, and it's always been very thorough and it's worked really well.
Having the new adapter means that we can have the boiler in exactly the same place as the old one, which is very convenient and very helpful to us. The installation went very well today. Very little has been disturbed. The cupboards are in exactly the same place. The new adapter seems to fit very, very well. And so we've been very, very pleased.